July 30, 2025, Wednesday, at St. John Nepomucene Catholic Church. You are here and you will be there in your future endeavors because of this reason. Love. Pag-ibig. You accepted each other, your respective lives, families, values, attitudes, and even disabilities. Because it is very clear, mahal ninyo ang isa't isa.
Tinanong na ako ano message ko kay yung baby. May gusto lang akong iabot sa'yo. Sana magustuhan mo. Pero kung di mo man magustuhan, okay lang. Gusto mo naman ako. See you later. Good night. I love you. Thank you, baby. Nagustuhan ko siya. Pero mas gusto kita.
Hi baby, habang sabay nating hahanapin ang bago ng kabanatan ito na buhay natin, gusto kong ibigay sa iyo munting regalo. Isang paalala ng pagmamahal ko at mga araw na sabay nating tatahakin. I love you. B, thank you sa mga gift mo. I love you. Matagal na hinihintay natin at yung lahat ng patient natin, sacrifice, nag-worth it na lahat.
Let us welcome our Angel Events, malakas na balakbakan for From and Pow!
This is it. Matatawag mo na talaga akong Mrs. Mendoza. I love you.
Kakilala kami sa Balayang, Batangas through friends. Especially thanks din sa pinsan ko na namasyal sila sa bahay, nagbabike sila, gano'n.
Everyday na magbabike kami, dadaan kami sa kanila. Yung first day nun, nung pagpunta namin sa kanila.
Tapos bigla ko siyang inalok ng juice. Nagtimpla ko, yung palang matabang.
Nagtimpla siya ng juice. Yung juice sa tinimpla niya, ang tabang, kulang sa asukal. Tapos ayun, doon na nag-start lahat. Christine. No, you.
Attendance.
Mariela.
Thank you.
Rachel.
Thanks.
Wow!
Thanks.
From the moment we met, I never expected to be standing here today, making promises to you. I never thought that the guy who was always masungit and hard to read would be the one I'd call my forever.
Like a following, you begin where I began. Always and forevermore.
Happy for you.
Masaya ako para sa'yo.
Mapa, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng suporta niyo.
Mabait, mapagmahal sa family. Kung titingnan mo siya sa personality niya, parang wala siyang ganong characteristic. Pero pag nakilala mo naman siya, meron siyang soft side.
To every touch, to every storm, I am yours forevermore. Every word in the space, soft as the wishes two dreamers make. Time is like rivers, folding us near with love like a lantern.
Ito, Jean. Di ni kating sabutan. Salamat sa inyo. Cheers! Cheers!
Pauline, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Father.
You, Fabricio, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Pinangahawakan ko at patuloy kong ipapangako ay ang walang kapantay na lakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Hahawakan ko ang kamay mo sa bawat pagsubok kasi alam ko na mas malakas tayo kapag magkasama.
Every time na pinagmamasdang kita, tinitingnan ka ng mga mata ko, nakikita ko kung saan pwede pa tayo makarating. Especially nakikita ko sa iyo, isang partner na kahit hindi na ako magsuot ng artificial na prosthetic, maputol ng tuluyan yung paa ko, or magsaklay ako, or mag-wheelchair ako, alam ko mananatili ka pa rin sa tabi ko. Ti amo, oggi, domani, per sempre. I love you. Your son.
Fabricio, do you take Pauline, here present, for your lawful wife, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, Father.
Pauline, do you take Fabricio, here present, for your lawful husband, according to the right of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, Father.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, Father.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, Father.
Nag-worth it lahat yung patient and sacrifice natin dalawa. At alam ko rin marami pang darating na pagsubok na haharapin. Pero kahit gaano kahirap ang sitwasyon, pangako ko sa iyo, pagkasama tayo aahon.
Sobrang thankful ako sa puso mong maalaga, sa sense of responsibility mo, at sa paraan ng pag-aalaga mo sa akin.
Always and forevermore. You're the song whose guided us shore. To every tide, to every storm, I am yours forevermore.
So it's your turn. You may now kiss your bride. We will continue to wish and to pray that may you live in a blessed life as husband and wife, and also to become a responsible parents to your future sons and daughters. Auntie Aguri Agli Sposi, best wishes to the newlyweds.
Kasama mo, nangangako akong patuloy na mag-grow, matuto, at magmahal. Kasi alam ko, basta't magkasama tayo, kakayanin natin lahat. I choose you today and always. I love you.
Forever.